inside a light begins to grow, lost in a tranquil reverie, heart open, weightless and free, flow like water, fluid and deep, mind unwinds in the space I keep, balance finds me as I bend and sway, guided by whispers showing the way. In the stillness I hear the call, a gentle echo beyond the walls, breath and soul like twin stars bright, guiding me through this peaceful night, lost in a tranquil reverie, heart open, weightless and free, fall like water, fluid and deep, mind unwinds in the space I keep, heal my all like Mabali in sprite light. Movements flow like rivers untamed, in the stance our bodies reclaim, in the silence wisdom unfolds, whispers of the ancient stories